Hey guys, first of all, I want to thank you for all of your questions that you're sending in on the survey that I did on what videos do you want me to do. And so I'm doing a whole series of videos based on what you want to know about. And the question that I'm going to answer today relates to avoiding cooking. Because a lot of times when you buy these keto cooking books, it takes a lot of time to make these meals, okay? So I don't spend a lot of time cooking my meals, and I'm just going to kind of give you some ideas of what I eat and what you can do to kind of make things quick without spending too much time cooking. So number one, you can actually buy boiled eggs. Now, I make my own eggs, but you can buy them and it's pretty convenient, and you can add the butter or mayonnaise or sour cream with it to get your fat, salt and pepper. So that's pretty simple. With my salads, I just take salad, I throw a couple things on it, I put olive oil, and vinaigrette. That's it, and I eat it. It's that simple. It takes me 2 seconds. I don't spend a lot of time making a salad, okay? Spinach, you can saute spinach with some canned tuna on there, okay? Do wild-caught tuna or even sardines, and that makes a nice meal. You can put some, shave some cheese on it, Parmesan cheese if you want. Okay, and then sardines. I recently found out that sardines do have omega-3. I sent these sardines to the lab, and it came back with high levels of omega-3 fatty acids. So might want to use that. It's real simple, it's convenient. Nuts and nut butters. I go through a lot of pecans, I like pistachios, I like walnuts. Another thing you can do is get the sugar snap peas. I'll eat the whole bag, and I love them, and it's really high in vitamin C. Celery. I do a lot of celery with hummus or nut butter right after the meal. Cheese. I'm from Wisconsin. I do a lot of cheese, and I'm always eating cheese with my meals. Try to do the fattier cheeses, not the low-fat cheese. I also buy high-quality summer sausage at the health food store, and I might combine these two right here, or sometimes they have some high-quality ham. I'll combine the two. Protein shakes. You can do something like this, a meal replacement to make it easy, which has the MCT oil and the protein. Mushroom with cheese is a real quick meal. I'll take the mushrooms, I'll shave the cheese, I'll melt it, and then I'll have a little protein with that. And on the weekends, that's when I might have a little more time to make some keto bombs, and I'll keep those in the freezer as my dessert. In summary, the truth is you don't have to spend a lot of time cooking. You can do shortcut, very fast meal preparation. All right, thanks for watching. So if you don't have this book, you might want to check it out. It's entitled, It's Not Lose Weight to Get Healthy, It's Get Healthy to Lose the Weight. Healthy Ketosis and Intermittent Fasting. Check it out. I put a link down below.